Stand with your feet a little bit wider than hip width apart, and start by moving from your hips, letting your arms slap your belly and your low back. This is great for releasing your spine and getting lots of energy for the day. You're going to inhale to the center and exhale to the sides. You're going to slow it down. Come back to the center and just feel the flow of chi in the center. Feel that tingling and moving energy. And then you're going to just shake it out. This is called shaking the tree. It helps to relieve sympathetic nervous activation, that fight or flight energy. If you're feeling anxious or angry, it can help to relieve it from your body. Any negative energy, just let it go out of your body and down and into the earth to be composted. And then we can continue this purging with an exercise called dropping the post. You're going to interlace your fingers, take them overhead, and reach up. And then you're going to exhale and drop your heels down. So inhale, reach up. And exhale, drop your heels down. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, drop your heels down. Then you're going to exhale your arms down and around. Just pause and notice how you feel. And then take a big step back with your left foot. You're going to turn your hips so you face forward, sink down through your front left hip, interlace your fingers. You're going to rotate your elbows back so you're releasing your shoulders. This is called Rooster spreads its wings. So a great release for your shoulder joints. And of course, you're opening up your hips with that warrior one stance too. And then let's step the foot in and switch sides. Just take a step back with your right foot. Turn your hips face front, and we'll do that. Rooster spreads its wings. And then release your hands down. You're going to take your feet in. Step your feet out wide. We're going to come into a warrior two stance. So turn your right leg out, left foot in. So you're in a warrior two stance. Bring your arms up parallel to the ground. You're going to turn one palm up, one palm down. Actually, both palms end up facing up. Looking at the palm that's facing up. And then rotate. This is called competing dragons. Another great one to really release the shoulder joints. And then you're going to lengthen up, relax your arms down, switch legs. So you're going to turn the left leg out, right leg in, sink down through that left sit bone. Bring your arms up. Use your back muscles to hold them up. One palm goes down, the other palm goes up. But see how the back palm actually ends up turning up as well. Turn to the palm that faces up. It will actually be your left palm. And then rotate and turn. Let's just shake those shoulders out with a pose called Old Man. You're going to take your legs wide, roll over your hip bones, and swing your arms from side to side. Really nice release for those shoulders. And then come back up to standing. Okay, bring your feet in. So you got your feet underneath your hip bones now. For this one, you're going to rotate your palms in and then rotate them out. Your shoulders are getting a nice release before you start your day. And then what you're going to do is turn your head to one side and then the other. And as you open your palms and face forward, feel your collarbones spreading. We can clear all the stagnation in the neck and the shoulders. It helps to bring the energy out of the head and into the body. And then you're going to take an inhale, take your arms overhead. Exhale, take your hands behind your head, massage the back of your neck. Bring your hands around to the front, massage the front of your neck. You're going to go back of your hands to your heart center here. Bring them around to your low back. Massage your kidneys. This is good for energy for the day. You're going to go down the backs of your legs, around your feet. And then you're going to come up the insides of your legs. And you're going to circle at your abdomen. Okay, so again, you're going to inhale, take your arms overhead. Take your hands around the back of your head and the front, and then you're going to massage the front of your neck. Back of your hands come down your heart center. Around your back, massage your kidneys. Down the backs of your legs. Around the inside of your feet. Up the insides of your legs. And then massage your belly. This is very calming and soothing, very emotionally regulating as you start your day. So let's do that again. Inhale, reach up. Take your hands around the back, massage the back of your neck. Bring it around the front, smooth the front of your neck. And you don't even have to touch your body. You can just smooth out your energy field. Backs of the hands come together, smooth out the front of your heart. It's very calming for anxiety. Bring your hands around to your kidneys. This helps to get some energy going. And then down the backs of your legs, around your feet, to the inside of your feet, up the insides of the legs, and then circle at your belly. And then let's just integrate and harmonize that all that energy, gathering it into our lower belly and storing it for your day. So you're going to inhale, take your one arm overhead. Exhale, draw it down the center line. Inhale, the other arm goes overhead. And exhale, draw it down your center line. So you can gather whatever it is that you need for your day. Maybe it's patience. Maybe it's forgiveness. Maybe it's understanding. Maybe compassion. Maybe kindness. Maybe you need some energy. So whatever you need for the day, you're going to gather it in and store it in your lower belly.